Welcome to English Listening with Bonnie channel. Hello everyone. Today we are going to listen to a short story at a pizza restaurant. It is simple, slow, and easy English. In this story, you will hear two friends and a pizza shop worker. Please listen carefully and try to understand the main idea. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen and remember the answer. Here is the question. What is the secret of Sam's Pizza? Listen carefully during the story. The answer will appear inside the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments. This will help you improve your English. Are you ready? Let's begin. I am so hungry right now.
I am hungry too, Bonnie. My stomach is making noise.
What should we eat for lunch?
Let's go to Sam's Pizza. It is the best place in town.
Sam's Pizza? I have never been there before.
Everyone loves it. It is very popular.
Is the pizza really that good?
Yes, but there is a secret about their pizza.
A secret? What is the secret?
I cannot tell you yet. You have to see it.
Oh, you are making me very curious.
Let's keep walking. We are almost there.
I hope the secret is delicious.
Trust me, Bonnie, it is amazing.
Is the secret about the cheese?
No, it is not just the cheese.
Is it the tomato sauce then?
You are guessing everything. Just wait.
Okay, I will be patient. But I am still hungry.
Look, I can see the red sign of Sam's Pizza.
I see it now. It looks very busy.
Busy means the food is fresh and good.
That is a good point, Justin.
Come on, let's get our table.
Do they have a lot of choices on the menu?
Yes, they have many types of pizza.
I want something with lots of toppings.
You can even make your own pizza here.
Really? I can pick everything?
Yes, that is why it is called a custom pizza.
That sounds like so much fun.
I knew you would like that idea.
The shop is so colorful. I like it.
Yes, Sam loves bright colors.
Oh, it smells so good in here.
That is the smell of fresh bread and cheese.
I see the big ovens. They look hot.
Those ovens make the crust very crispy.
Wait, is the secret the crispy crust?
Nope. The secret is even better than that.
You are a very difficult person, Justin.
I just want it to be a surprise.
Fine, I will wait. Let's go to the counter.
After you, Bonnie.
Here we are. It is our turn.
I will let you do the talking first.
I am a little nervous. What if I make a mistake?
Don't worry, the staff here are very friendly.
Okay, I can do this. I want my pizza.
That is the spirit. Just ask what you want.
The person behind the counter is smiling at us.
Go ahead, Bonnie. Say hi.
Okay. Hello.
Hi there. Welcome to Sam's Pizza.
Hi. Thank you. It is nice to be here.
Is this your first time visiting us?
Yes, it is. My friend Justin told me about this place.
Oh, hi, Justin. Good to see you again.
Hi. I had to bring her here for the pizza.
That is great to hear. I hope you will like it.
It smells really good. I am very hungry.
I can help with that. What can I get for you today?
I would like to order a pizza, please.
Sure thing. What kind of pizza would you like?
What kinds do you have?
We have cheese, pepperoni, veggie, meat lovers, and Hawaiian.
What is a Hawaiian pizza?
Hawaiian pizza has ham and pineapple on it.
Pineapple on a pizza? That is very interesting.
Some people love it. It is sweet and salty at the same time.
Maybe next time. Today, I want something simple.
The cheese pizza is very simple. Just cheese and sauce.
That sounds too simple. I want a few toppings too.
Then you should build your own pizza. Pick your own toppings.
Oh, really? That sounds like fun.
Yes, a lot of our customers like doing that.
How does it work? Do I just tell you?
Yes, it is easy. I will ask questions and you tell me what you like.
Okay, let's build my own pizza then.
Great. First, let's pick the size. What size would you like?
What sizes do you have?
We have 3: small, medium, and large.
How big is each one exactly?
A small is 8 inches. It is about this big.
I see. That looks okay.
A medium is 12 inches. It is good for sharing with one person.
Okay, 12 inches.
And a large is 16 inches. It is great for a group of friends.
16 inches? Wow, that is really big.
How many people are you buying for today?
It is just for me. Justin is not eating.
I ate a big sandwich earlier.
Then a small is perfect for one person. It has 6 slices.
6 slices? That sounds like enough.
Yes, most people can finish a small by themselves.
How many slices does a medium have?
A medium has 8 slices.
8 slices. And a large?
A large has 12 slices. It is a lot of pizza.
12 slices? That really is a lot. Actually, wait, can I change my mind?
Of course, no rush. Take your time.
Maybe I should get a medium. I can eat half tomorrow.
That is a great idea. Pizza is good the next day too.
But actually, no. Let me keep it simple. A small, please.
No problem at all. Small it is.
Sorry for changing my mind like that.
Don't worry about it. It happens all the time. Okay, next question. What kind of crust would you like?
What do you mean by that?
The crust is the bottom part. It is the bread part of the pizza.
Oh, I didn't know you could choose that.
We have 3: thin, thick, and stuffed crust.
Which one is the most popular choice?
Thin is popular, but stuffed crust is our best seller.
What is the difference between thin and thick?
Thin crust is very crispy. It makes a crunchy sound. Thick crust is soft and chewy like fresh bread.
I see. And what about the stuffed crust?
Stuffed crust has cheese inside the edge of the pizza.
Cheese inside the crust? Wow, that sounds amazing.
Yes, the cheese gets very melted and gooey inside.
Gooey? What does gooey mean?
Gooey means soft and sticky like melted cheese.
Oh, I love that. That sounds so good.
It is one of our most popular choices here.
Is it much more expensive than the other crusts?
Stuffed crust is just $1 extra.
Only $1 more? That is a very good price.
Yes, it is. And it is really worth it.
Okay, I will take stuffed crust, please.
Great choice. Stuffed crust it is.
I have never tried it before, so I am excited.
I think you will love it. Now, let's talk about toppings. What would you like on your pizza?
What toppings do you have?
For meat, we have pepperoni, sausage, ham, and chicken. For vegetables, we have mushrooms, onions, peppers, and olives.
Wow, that is a lot of choices. How many toppings can I pick for my pizza?
You can pick up to 4 toppings for free.
4 toppings are included? That is really nice.
Yes, extra toppings are 50 cents each.
What topping do you like the most?
Me? I like pepperoni the best. It is a little spicy.
What is pepperoni exactly?
It is a kind of sausage. It is thin, round, and red.
That sounds good. I will take pepperoni and mushrooms.
Pepperoni and mushrooms. Anything else?
Do you put onions on the pizza?
We can if you want. Would you like onions?
Actually, no onions, please. I don't like the taste.
No problem. No onions. Anything else?
Can I get extra cheese too?
Of course. Extra cheese is 50 cents more. Is that okay?
That is fine. You can never have too much cheese.
I agree with you on that. Okay, let me repeat your order. Pepperoni, mushrooms, no onions, and extra cheese. Right?
Yes, that is perfect. Thank you.
Great. Is this for here or to go?
I am sorry. Can you say that again?
For here means you eat inside. To go means you take it home.
Oh, I understand now. To go, please.
No problem. We will put it in a box for you.
How long will it take to make my pizza?
It will be ready in about 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Okay, that is not too long.
We make everything fresh, so it takes a little time.
Fresh is best. I don't mind waiting.
While you wait, would you like something to drink?
Oh, what do you have to drink?
We have soda, juice, iced tea, and water.
How much is a soda?
A soda is $2.
I think I am okay for now, thank you.
You can wait over there. There are chairs by the window.
Oh, I see them. That looks like a nice spot.
We also have free water on that table.
That is very kind. Thank you so much.
I will call your name when it's ready. What is your name?
My name is Bonnie.
Bonnie? That is a nice name. I will let you know.
Justin, come sit with me while we wait.
Sure, it is a nice view from here.
Okay, now tell me, what is the secret of Sam's Pizza?
Did you see the staff member double-checking your order?
Yes, he was very careful.
That is one part. They care about every pizza.
And the other part?
They make their own dough every morning. It is never frozen.
Never frozen. That is a big difference from other places.
Exactly. You will taste the difference soon.
I am so glad we came here today.
I'm glad too. It's a great local shop.
Bonnie, your pizza is ready.
That's me. Let's go, Justin. It smells incredible.
Small stuffed crust with pepperoni, mushrooms, and extra cheese.
It looks beautiful. Look at all that cheese.
And no onions, just like you asked.
Perfect. Can I pay with a card?
Yes, just tap your card right here.
Like this?
Perfect. All set. Here is your receipt.
Thank you so much for your help today.
You are welcome. Here are some napkins too.
Oh, should I try the red pepper flakes?
Only if you like it spicy. They are quite hot.
No thanks. I will stick with the cheese flavor. I am going to eat this as soon as I get home.
I told you this place was special.
You were right, Justin. Trying new things is good.
Let's go home and enjoy the pizza.
Have a great day. See you again.
Goodbye. Enjoy your pizza.
Great job listening. Now, let's check the question again.
What is the secret of Sam's Pizza? Did you catch the answer? If yes, please write it in the comments below. Practice like this every day, and your English will improve step by step. Thank you for watching. If you like this lesson, please subscribe and like the video. I will share more slow and easy English stories for you. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.